Hey everybody, it's Chris. Welcome back to the channel. Guess what today is? Oh, we're going to do something on the Pit Boss. We're going to do a pork tenderloin today. It's going to be good, juicy, and delicious. I can't wait to put it on and wait to try it. Let's go. Let's get it going. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to use up the rest of this McCormick barbecue. Ain't much. Ain't nothing hardly in there. Use it up. Still a little windy today. A little wind out there. All of them. Bad bronze butt rub. You gotta try this. You never tried it, give it a shot. It's not that expensive. Ooh, the wind blowing. It is a little windy today again. It was windy yesterday. So I guess it's gonna stay windy again today. Oh well. It's just happens. That's just what happens. I like that color on there. I like that. There we go. Got it on. Alright, here we go. We're gonna plate it. It's at 270 right now. Go ahead and put it on. You don't hurt nothing. You don't have to have it at 350, 400, whatever you put a piece of meat on or whatever you're putting on. You don't have to have it at that temperature. There. Take that beautiful piece of meat. Tenderloin, pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin. There we go. All right, let's take a look at it real quick. See what we got. It's coming along pretty good. Hang on. All right, I'm going to do something to the pork tenderloin to make it cook a little faster. Take it off. Down the middle, slice it down the middle. Should have done that. Make it cook a little faster. Almost in half, not really. There we go. Do that. And swirl it back. Cook a little bit faster. Need a little bit faster. There we go. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do to it. Alright, since we cut that in half, split it in half, that's what I gotta do. Put some more butt rub on it. Seasoning. That's good. That ain't bad. It looks pretty good. There. Add a little more. Add a dash. Yeah, thanks. Season it up. Sorry about that. Yeah. Let's see what we got here again. Let's check it. Yeah. Juicy Lucy. Ooh, it's looking good. I think this bad boy's ready. Let's cut into this thing. That's what it looks like. I want to know. Oh yeah. Slippery. Look at that. It's done. I love it. It's done. Let's do a taste test. All right, everybody. It's time for a taste test. There she is. Look at that steam coming off that. Tastes good and juicy too. Good and juicy. Let's try it out. We'll leave it on the tongs. Yeah. Make you slap your mama. Good and tender. It's good. Let's try one more. Let's do another piece. I want to do one more piece of bite. Got to do one more bite. You know. Good, yeah. It's really good. That Bed Brown's butt rub is really good on any kind of pork. Any kind of pork. I mean, it's good. I love it. It's good. So, well, that's it. We're going to go inside and eat. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Join me on the next adventure. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.